Hello, hello friends. Today I'm going to show you how to install SQL Server Developer Edition in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So the way of installation of in Windows 10 and Windows 7 is pretty same. So there is no difference. So first go to visit this link and you just download the 64-bit edition. It will download one small exe file and from there you can download ISO file. So this is how finally okay, so basically you required .NET 4.4 which is there by default in Windows 7 and you required minimum 2 GB and like 20 GB of hard disk space. Okay, so now once you install like in sometimes after 5 years this link will get changed or maybe so here I'm having all SQL Server ISO files. Come here and you can download SQL Server 2022 ISO file in this Google Drive. I will share this Google Drive in the YouTube description, and you can. And meanwhile, you can download. You can join in this group, and this group link will be also given in the description. You can join. Whatever doubts you had, you just posted. We are having 661 plus DBAs under one roof so that they can actively everybody is like actively like everybody will reply so like accordingly that okay. And coming to that, like once you download the ISO, here I have downloaded the SQL Server 2022 ISO 64-bit. Right click on that and select mount here. Once you done that, it will act like as a virtual DVD, and so this is how the icon will appear. Right click on that, select new open window. Now it will get like this, and you need to select the setup.exe file. Right click on that and select run as administrator option. Here you need to select this as yes, and it will pop up one wizard. Here you need to select installation, select the installation, and here you need to select new SQL Server standalone installation or add features to existing installation. Select on this. So it will take time, and yeah, it will depend upon the your resources. So here I don't want to check any updates, and you just select that yes. Next. So now it is what it is scanning for product updates, and so gone. So here I am want to install developer edition so that you can, but already I have, these are the like what are the installation SQL Server installations that I had in this machine. So ignore this option right now. We need to install a fresh copy of instance. So you need to select that first option, go to yes, proceed to next. Now select this. I need to install developer edition. Select the developer. If you want to install Express, you can install Express, select Express edition. But right now I want to go with the developer. Select the developer. Proceed to next. Here you need to check the box. I accept the license terms and privacy statements. Proceed to next. I don't want to connect the Azure, and basically I don't have any Azure credentials handy with me. So that's the reason I'm unchecking the Azure extension for SQL Server. Select the box and proceed to next. Yeah, so here we are having so many options okay here right now. So here you need to select the database engine services, and if you want replication to the part of that, I don't require for this demo. I don't require all SQL replication data, all these required. So I'm going to select right now database engine services. That is enough for this demo, and whatever the requirements that you may had, you can select and like proceed next. So here you need to type as a like SQL dev 2022. So yeah, it got same, and so next, proceed to next. So here these are the options that are there, and I need to select this as a automatic. Select automatic, and you just select that grant perfume volume task. It simply means instance file initialization, which avoid zeroing of databases. Okay, so right now click next. So here you need to select add current user option. so that after installation directly the user who install the SQL Server can connect SQL Server instance. So now click on that and it will take time. Just wait for 2 minutes. If you click again, the wizard will get like I mean get stuck. So that's the reason. Once you click on that, you just wait for 2 minutes. Okay. So after that only you can proceed further. Yeah, it got added. And now click on data directory. This is the default data directory and you can add. Okay. And okay, now I don't want to like in the real time it may be in the default. Okay, this might be L. Okay, this might be something K drive. Okay. And go to the like right now I'm having 8 temp files, initialization 64 MB, and this is the max dop, and this is the memory, and this is the file stream. You are, if you want to store like image files, word files, all these kind of stuff we can be store in the file stream. So now I just want to go to the default options. So, okay, so for my demo proceed to next. Now if you see here, okay, whatever the same thing, and you this is like summary, so where we install and everything will be there here. Okay, now proceed to install. Now in the interview, they might ask you, once you click the proceed installation, what is happening? So you need to remember these some of the lines so that you it will help you how good you are like internals or product observing. Okay. Now like what running now it is running the SQL Server package, calculating the space requirements, and like it will do installing. So you just remember one or two like 5 lines so that it will help you in the interview, and you just wait for 2 minutes. And so depending upon your server configuration and resources, it will get installed. So right now it seems like it is going to almost it got completed. So yeah, it is writing and double spaces agent key adding right countries counting features. Yeah, let's wait and let's see how it goes. Yeah, the installation was like completed successfully. In the real time, you can take this snap and you can drop that email, or you can just click that this file, or you can take this snapshot as well. And like see, the installation was finally passed, and we have installed SQL Server. And this time, like in the interview, you can ask how do we know at what time we started installation, at what time we the installation was completed. So all this information it will be there in this. Okay, now you just take the screenshot and like and done done. uh, I'm closing all the windows, and meanwhile open SSMS, click select here symbol. Okay, right now click browse on more and click on database. This system was installed on this mission row, so that's the reason I'm going through. Like if not, you need to manually type. Select that Lenovo slash SQL Dev 2022, select yes, proceed to next. See here we have successfully installed SQL Server 2022 developer edition. So all these, if you want to create any databases, just type create database test and click execute. So it got executed successfully. So this is how you need to install SQL Server Developer Edition for 2022 edition. So I'm going to give all the details and ISO files in the description. You just download and experience them and provide your feedback so that I can help you accordingly. I hope you may like this video and effects, and thank you. Bye bye.